How to use Zoom on desktop? Well, wait, you might be wondering why I am here on my mobile. Well, I'm going to be showing you how you can access Zoom through desktop and how you can host, schedule or meetings easily. So I'm on the web. Now on the Zoom, you can simply head into your web browser on your desktop and then search it for Zoom web, right? Now, it's pretty simple and easy. So all you got to do is head into zoom.com there and sign into your account and access their various options. Now you can also get the desktop Zoom application, which you can download it from web as well. You can, using a meeting link, click the link provided in an email or calendar invitation. A browser window may open asking to launch the Zoom app. Click open Zoom meetings or allow and your meeting will be opened. You can easily open the Zoom app and click sign in to log in with your Zoom, Google or Facebook account and sign in instantly. Then you can, after signing in, click the new meeting icon, a video camera icon, which will allow you to start a meeting, and you can share that meeting with others as well, the link. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.